Angels and Dudes. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel, Angels and Dudes. I'm Sarah.
And I'm her little brother Steven.
And today we're going to be making unicorn bath bombs. These bath bombs smell like cotton candy.
Why?
Because everybody knows unicorns obviously sleep on cotton candy clouds. Duh.
You love them.
Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends.
And also don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell for notifications.
Because if you don't, you're going to miss all our videos. Unless you come back every Tuesday. Let's get on to the video. How to make easy magical DIY unicorn bath bombs. These are the perfect way to unwind and make your bath a little more magical. Learn how to make these easy magical DIY unicorn bath bombs. They have a sweet scent of sugared strawberry, sweet peach, ripe raspberry, and cotton candy. They'll add some mystical magic to your bath. The ingredients are baking soda, citric acid, a carrier oil of your choice, Epsom salt, essential or fragrance oil, and mica colors. Combine the baking soda, citric acid, and Epsom salt in a large mixing bowl and mix well until combined. Make sure you break up any clumps. Divide the mixture into 3 mixing bowls. Add blue mica to the first bowl, gold mica to the second bowl, and red mica to the third bowl. Stir to combine. Slowly drizzle the oils onto each of the powders and mix quickly. When the mixtures are moldable, it should look like wet sand, then you are ready to mold. Sprinkle sparkle white mica powder into your molds. Press the baking soda mixtures into the molds. Start with the gold mixture, then a layer of the blue mixture, then on top finish off with the red mixture. Sprinkle some more sparkle white mica on top of the mixture and press in. Allow the bath bombs to dry for 4 to 6 hours or until they've hardened completely. Then unmold and store them in an airtight container. To use, drop 1 bath bomb in a warm bath. It releases a sweet scent for a fragrant, relaxing, and truly magical soak. It also gives the water a soft blue, gold, and pink hue, plus some sparkle. Wow, look at that magical fizz. So sparkly. Wanna take your body refreshing one step further? Add Unicorns Are Real body spray. It's available at angelsanddudes.com. It's a lightly scented, alcohol-free body spray that's a light, refreshing way to fragrance, plus keep you odor-free all day long. And it has the same 3-color swirl, plus the scent of sugared strawberry, sweet peach, ripe raspberry, and cotton candy as the bath bombs. Do you enjoy bath bombs and the bubbly magic that comes with using them? Then whip up a batch of these easy, magical DIY unicorn bath bombs. They're the perfect way to unwind and make your bath a little more magical. I hope you guys enjoy these unicorn bath bombs. Bye! See you next week! For more information, visit angelsanddudes.com. Angels and Dudes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.